Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm working on a Hyundai Sonata 2015 to 17. It's the same look, and I'm gonna change the brake light bulb. So you wanna come here, you wanna get this, you wanna twist it. If you twist it and it don't move that way, you twist it the other way. So basically you need to get it like this. Somebody already opened it. So if you never go in it before or nobody never go in it, it should look like that until you twist it that way and it will come off like that. Alright, so guys, your brake light gonna be this one right here, and this right here is your turn signal. So if you want to turn your turn signal, you would twist it out just like how you would twist out the brake light. Alright, so you can go ahead and twist this out and pull back on it, and it will come out like this. And also you need to push down on the bulb and twist the bulb also, and it will come up like this. Alright, to get the bulb out. So this is the bulb it used. So it's a 2357. That's the bulb number it used. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that and put it in, and then we can check it to make sure it works before we actually put it back in the socket, in the bulb, in the tail lamp. Alright, so I went to check the bulbs I have. I didn't have any 2357, but I have 1157, and it will work just fine. Alright, so if that's the bulb you have, or that's the bulb you can find, it will work. So in here you have two grooves. Right here you have one right here, and the other side you have another one, and one is higher than the other. So this one over here is higher than this one right here. So what I'm gonna do is gonna put the lower side to the lower one in the lower groove. So I want to push down and I want to twist it, and then I twist it and it worked. Alright, it locked in tight, so that's not going nowhere. And I'm gonna go ahead and check the light. So I'm gonna put something on the brake pedal and I'll be right back. Alright, so as you can see, it's lighting up because I have something on the brake pedal. I'm gonna put it in there. Make sure you get it in like that and lock it into place. Alright, so that's locked nice and tight. So, and it's the same thing for the left side, because I'm working on the right side. You see, like that. You want to twist it, get it straight up like that, and pull it out. And it's the same thing in there. Alright, and like I was saying, it's the same way you would change your signal light. So you want to twist this like this, bring this out, shake it out, and there you go. Same way you change your brake bulb, the same way you change your turn signal bulb. Alright, put that back in, lock that back into place, and go ahead and put on back your cover. And I'm gonna lock it back. And that's it, guys. Thank you for your love and support. I will also put a link in the description, and also I will try to pin the comment to a link where you can find bulb for your car, or you can also run to your local auto parts store if you want. Alright, so yeah, I have this one working right here, I have this one working right here, I have this one working right here. That little job will get you out of a ticket. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. See you next time.